You already know that your cast iron skillet is an incredibly versatile kitchen tool. It improves with age, it's virtually indestructible, and you can get a great one for about 40 bucks. But this kitchen workhorse has even more tricks up its sleeve. Here are some skillet hacks that'll make you love your pan even more. First off, it's a makeshift flame tamer. A flame tamer does exactly what you think it does. It tames the flames on your stovetop. It's a really helpful tool, especially when you need an even, delicate flame for easily scorched dishes, like something like polenta. You could buy a flame tamer at a kitchen supply store, or you could just use your cast iron skillet. Place your skillet over a low flame and put your pot or saucepan right in it. Your cast iron pan will moderate the heat. Another great feature of your hefty cast iron pan, it actually makes a great panini press. Place your pre-assembled sandwich in a traditional pan and smush it down with the bottom of a cast iron skillet. If you happen to have two cast iron skillets, that's even better. Cook the panini in the larger skillet and use your smaller skillet as the press. It's also a perfect pie plate. Now, nobody likes a soggy, pale pie crust, and your cast iron skillet basically guarantees a golden brown, crisp one. A 9 or 10-inch skillet keeps your pie volume and baking times consistent, and the skillet's high sides are perfect for a deep dish pie. You can even use the skillet to pre-cook the apples, which drives off extra juice while adding rich browning.